Okay, Shashwat, now double click on this installer. Click on run. For the first time, I think it will take some time to open, but let it do that. Yes, it's opening. Okay, select custom, Shashwat. Click on next. Then expand this MySQL servers. Again, expand that MySQL server. Again, right, click on that x64 once. MySQL server 8023x64. Yes, and press that green button, which is just yes. Right. Then click on applications or expand applications here. MySQL Workbench. Again Workbench. Click on that. No, 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 no. Click on MySQL Workbench 8023 and the top green button. Right. Now what we are doing here is, while installing MySQL, we are installing one thing which is MySQL server, and second thing which we are installing is MySQL Workbench. What is MySQL Workbench? It is a client for MySQL server. Right. Just keep this thing in mind. Right. Later on we will try to understand these things. Click on next. Yes, Kshitij, I am recording it. Click on execute. Yes, Kshitij, I am recording it. Don't worry. Right, click on next. 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 Select the use legacy authentication method. Next. Give the password as root all in small. ROOT. Repeat password same. ROOT. Okay. Click on next. 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 Execute. Yeah. Right. So few of you, right, might require one extra step to do. Right. Uh, that step would be to install a Visual Studio Visual C++ redistributable. So what you need to do, I'll just let you know for that. If at all during installation, right, if for some of you it asks for Visual Studio redistributable, right, then you need to click on this link and download the uh, VC redistributable x64.exe, right. Download the ones for 64-bit, right. I have also say recorded this, so you'll get it in this video, so no need to worry about it. Once you download it, just click on that exe and it will install itself. It will ask you some next buttons and just install. No need for any different configuration. Okay, and click on finish. Right, next, finish. So what this thing will do is, this will open a Microsoft Visual Studio workbench. Yes. Right, now just expand this, बड़ा कर दो विंडो को. Yes. Right, now what you need to do is double click on this local instance MySQL 80. Right, type your password which we have configured as root. Click OK. Do not save. Your connection for root access denied using password. Yes, I think you typed some wrong password. Can you check? Yes, this time it connected. Right, now ये जो सेंटर में एक लाइन दिख रही है ना, उसको राइट साइड में ड्रैग कर दो. सेंटर की वर्टिकल लाइन को ड्रैग करो, उसके ऊपर कर्सर ले जाओ. सेंटर वाली लाइन, वर्टिकल लाइन जो है, ये स्क्रीन के बीच में जो एक सेंटर में ये कनेक्ट हेल्प के लेफ्ट में जो ऐसी खड़ी लाइन है, हाँ, जितना आखिरी ले जा सकते हो ले जाओ, so that you'll get more playing area. Right, okay. Now click here somewhere in between. ये वन जार लिखा है उसके बाजू में, पूरा आखिरी ले जाओ, आखिरी तक जितना, बस बस काफ़ी है, इतना ही जाएगा वो मैक्सिमम. हाँ, क्लिक समवेयर हियर. यस, नाउ राइट क्रिएट स्पेस डेटाबेस स्पेस MyDB, MyDB. Give a semicolon. Now select this entire line which you have written. Right, and select it. Right, okay. अच्छा, प्रायर टू दैट ये लेफ्ट साइड में एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड स्कीमास दिख रहा है ना, तो उसमें वो स्कीमास पे क्लिक करो. ये लेफ्ट साइड में थोड़ा नीचे में और नीचे, हाँ. Right, so what you see here is only SYS. Right, now select this line, create database MyDB, एंड उसी के ऊपर जो वो येलो एक वो साइन है, लाइटनिंग वाला साइन, उसके ऊपर क्लिक करो. पहले सिलेक्ट करके छोड़ दो, पूरा सिलेक्ट करो, हाँ, एंड फिर अब, हाँ. राइट, सो इट सेज क्रिएट डेटाबेस 1 रो अफेक्टेड. राइट, यहाँ ये स्कीमाज लेफ्ट साइड में जो स्कीमाज है फिल्टर ऑब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर, उसके बाजू में एक रिफ्रेश बटन है. राइट साइड में देखो एक रिफ्रेश का आइकन है, स्कीमास की लाइन में इमीडिएट, हाँ, click on that. Right, so a database called as MyDB is created. This database, what I am saying, is nothing but also called a schema. Right, and this is what is testing your MySQL installation. Right, अगर ये installation successful हुआ, मतलब अगर ये database सही तरीके से बन गया, तो what it means is कि आपका MySQL properly install हो गया. Right, इतना ही करेंगे आज. What I want is each one of you to complete this installation today. Right, and how will you test that installation? ये create database MyDB इतना एक बार करो, वो एक बार नीचे में ऐसा आना चाहिए 1 row affected, and यहाँ schemas refresh करने पे आपको MyDB दिखना चाहिए. That is what we want. Right, then we'll start with MySQL from tomorrow. छोटा छोटा धीरे धीरे करेंगे. इज इट ओके? कर लोगे?